Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to be sure you know the truth about prescription sleep medication. The sleep that occurs after taking prescription sleep meds is not normal sleep. I'm going to repeat that. Not a single prescription sleep aid currently on the market allows for normal, what we refer to as restful, restorative sleep, which is essential for the health of the brain and the body. So you can be assured on the nights you use them that your sleep will not be normal. Knowing how essential sleep is for mental and physical health, it goes without saying that chronic use of these drugs can have significant risk beyond dependence. Indeed, there is mounting data tying regular use of them, especially over time, to a much higher risk of premature death and dementia. In one large study, those taking the most prescription sleep aids over their lifetime had a 530% higher risk of death versus those who rarely or never took them. Plus, in the studies, their efficacy barely exceeds that of placebos. I will quote from one of the country's most esteemed sleep medicine specialists, Dr. Chris Winter, from his book, The Sleep Solution, which I highly recommend. Here's his quote: "I have never read a study that has shown these pills to reduce the time it takes to fall asleep by more than a few minutes, nor add more than a few minutes of total sleep to the user's night." So, prescription sleep aids should only be used for short periods of time in defined situations where an individual is undergoing a temporary disruption of restful sleep. Please read Dr. Chris Winter's wonderful book. And if you have friends or loved ones that may benefit from this message, please share it with them. And as always, thank you for tuning in.